5 SUVs that I don't prefer.
The 5 SUVs I don't really prefer or don't like.
So now coming to the 5 SUVs that I don't like off-road.
But what I don't like is the pretentious SUVs. When you look at the specs, they are rear wheel drive or they are front wheel drive. I mean, where are you going to take them for a picnic? No. What we want are SUVs which are hardcore, true to their nature.
First one would be the Force Gurkha. I just don't like. Too boxy, too much body roll, not really capable, I would say.
So if you look at Thar rear wheel drive, what purpose is it solving? You're going to the mall? No, we don't want to do that.
Number one, it has to be the rear wheel drive Thar. That vehicle just doesn't make sense to me. I don't know why it exists in a two-wheel drive version, but it's not my style.
Then the new Thar. I would really want the old Thar, the first gen one. They were the real powerful vehicles. The new ones are like very cosmetic. The Cretas of the world, so-called SUVs, but they are not SUVs at all.
I do not like the Gurkha simply because I feel the dimensions and the weight and the power is just not right. I do not like D-Max off-road. I think again the approach and departure angle, if you compare it to a Hilux, it just doesn't stand up.
So you give me a true blue SUV, low range is a must. I don't know what Gurkha did. Such a fantastic vehicle, Mercedes Genes with an engine, but they give you an IFS in the front.
The Nissan X-Trail, SUV, really? Come on. It's like a sedan and SUV. I don't need to say more.
The other vehicle I actually don't like, which a lot of people will critique me on this, is a Fortuner. Especially the older ones, because again, they're open diff, no electronics. So, when you're stuck in a sticky situation, you're not going anywhere.
The last one on the pack would be MG Gloucester. It's huge. It's gigantic. How on earth would you ever take it off the road? On the road, it's a pain, and it gives you an off-road experience on the road. So I can't take it off the roads.
Fifth one that I don't like is actually, one of the Mercedes GLEs or GLSs, because those are just pretentious, trying to be an off-roader or trying to be a four-wheel drive with the 4MATIC system. But to me, they don't work.
So manufacturers have the capability, but for some reason, they just don't capitalize on it. So I hope some manufacturers looking at this and makes a true blue SUVs for enthusiasts like us.